Put it on you. Take it off the tongue.
Tell us when you're ready.
Make sure you get it all licked off.
Because I'm not filming yet. Tell us when you're about to do it and I'll start filming.
I could only have like a Kinder Egg full that I couldn't.
Right, go
This
on,
is the
film it.
cinnamon challenge.
How bad is it?
Come back, pig.
Go on, Jake. You gonna be sick, Jake?
I'm alright now.
What's the hard bit?
What?
What's the hard bit?
As soon as it goes in, it dries. As soon as it goes in.
Can you not just swallow it?
You have to swallow it.
Charlie, you gonna have a go?
I tried it. You have a go.
That's right, it's oval.